Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be comparing two popular mesh Wi-Fi systems, NETGEAR Orbi and TP-Link Deco Mesh. We'll be discussing their features and which one stands out as the better option. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. Both NETGEAR Orbi and TP-Link Deco Mesh provide excellent coverage, but Orbi, with its ultra-performance mesh Wi-Fi network and speeds of up to 3 Gbps, can cover an area of 5,000 square feet consistently. On the other hand, TP-Link Deco S4, 3 units, can work collaboratively to create a Wi-Fi mesh network that covers homes up to 5,500 square feet. Therefore, both routers provide sufficient coverage, but NETGEAR Orbi has an edge with its unmatched speeds and coverage area. NETGEAR Orbi has patented tri-band technology that ensures that the speed is maintained even when more devices are using the Wi-Fi network simultaneously. On the other hand, TP-Link Deco Mesh has incredibly fast AC 1200 speeds, delivering the performance for around 100 devices. Both routers offer remarkable speed performance, with NETGEAR Orbi providing an edge with its tri-band technology and ensuring high-speed traffic flow even with heavy usage. NETGEAR Orbi comes with NETGEAR Armor that keeps your family's Wi-Fi secure. This provides an automatic shield of security across all your connected devices, with a 30-day free trial. TP-Link Deco Mesh comes with robust parental controls that allow you to limit online time and block inappropriate websites. You can create unique profiles for each family member and keep your children safe while they're online. Both routers have excellent security mechanisms, with each one providing different options based on your specific security needs. Both routers have easy-to-follow setup procedures, with TP-Link Deco Mesh having an advantage that the Deco app is available on both Android and iOS devices. If you want to turn on or off guest Wi-Fi, Amazon Alexa voice commands come in handy. Each Deco S4 has 2 Gigabit Ethernet ports, 6 in total for a 3-pack, that support wired Ethernet backhaul for better speeds, making it more flexible. NETGEAR Orbi has the smart parental controls that help promote healthy internet habits and 30-day free trial included. Both routers provide excellent control mechanisms, with TP-Link Deco Mesh being more convenient with Alexa voice commands and a flexible Ethernet port design. NETGEAR Orbi Mesh is priced at USD $279, while TP-Link Deco Mesh is listed at USD $149. NETGEAR Orbi offers slightly better features with its advanced technology, but TP-Link Deco Mesh has its own advantages like wider coverage, faster setup through the app, and flexibility with the Ethernet ports. Therefore, both routers are priced fairly, with TP-Link Deco Mesh being cost-effective without sacrificing its quality and features. And that's the wrap-up of our comparison review on NETGEAR Orbi Mesh and TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi systems. Both systems have their advantages and disadvantages. If you are looking for fast speeds and ultra-performance mesh, NETGEAR Orbi Mesh is the better option. On the other hand, if you want better coverage, ease of setup, and flexible Ethernet ports, TP-Link Deco Mesh is the way to go. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments section below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons.